Hi, it's Jason from JHE's Log Furniture Place. Come visit us online at logfurnitureplace.com or come visit us at our log furniture store located at our factory in Edmore, Michigan. Today we are out in the store walking on this horribly green carpet that's about to be replaced, but we are going to take a look at the Northwoods Wilderness Log Bed. The Wilderness Log Bed features a unique skip peeling process which leaves some of the bark in places on the logs. Really, it's the inner membrane of the bark. Most of the outer bark is gone. It's just the inner membrane of the bark that's left on the logs. The unique debarking process that the logs go through leaves the logs really smooth, yet leaves the natural shape of the logs, all the knots and gnarls that you may run across in the logs. The bed, as you can see, features double log side rails and then wooden slats with center supports for the queen and king sizes. Overall, it's a very sturdy bed, and it arrives partially assembled, so there's very little assembly required. Basically, you'll just attach the log supports here, attach the center supports, and then attach the side rails to the already assembled headboard and footboard. The headboard stands a full 55 inches tall, a little bit taller than your standard bed, and this is great for the extra thick mattresses that are out right now. Lets you see a lot of the headboard after the bed is all made up. We have many other pieces of furniture to go along with the bed, matching wilderness nightstands, dressers, and chests. You can find this all on our website at logfurnitureplace.com. You are always more than welcome to call us as well. We'll be more than happy to help you configure the bedroom exactly the way you want it. Have a great day.